Hey, Z here. Today is October 27th, and today we are at the Washington Townhouses, and we've got the footings being poured right now. We had the inspections this morning, they all passed, and now we're going to go take a look at the footings, the concrete being poured in the footings. So we've got the rebar in there, and we've got the steps in here for the concrete as the blocks go down, as the elevation goes down. We've got steps so we can put the blocks in there for the foundation, and we've got a pump truck also that we've got to pay for too, because we've got not just concrete, but we've got to get the concrete out to the back of the property. So here, I'll show you here. Got the pump trucks. These are the guys there with the hoses. So we've got to pump the concrete all the way to the back of the property. Sometimes you can do it. You can just use gravity. We've got a kind of a long distance there. We can't get the truck all the way to the back, so we've got to use the pump truck. And then here you can see the rebar sticking up. So in the front of the property especially, that we'll have a high layer of blocks. I think we'll have maybe 6 or 7 high in the front here, and so we need rebar in here to just, when we put the cinder blocks on top of them, and then we'll core fill it with, we'll backfill it with concrete once it's up high too. That rebar will be in there to help stabilize the blocks. We've got the other side over here working, and they're getting everything all set up. I think, as I said, you can see the pieces of wood there. Those are steps, step downs, step ups, so that every time we have to step down with cinder blocks, that's all we have today.